Dear student, how are you? I hope you are well. I am also well. I am Vishnu Padagundu, your chemistry teacher. In previous class, I discussed about molar volume of gas. Today, I will discuss about molar solution. Let's go start. Molar solution. Molar solution. One mole, 1 liter. First one, we have to know what is molar solution. If 1 mole of solute, is dissolved in 1 liter solution, then that solution is called molar solution. If 1 mole of solute, is dissolved in 1 liter solution, then it is called molar solution. If 0.5 mole solute dissolved in 1 liter solution, then it is called semi-molar solution. Molar means 1 mole, 1 liter. Molar means 1 mole solute dissolved in 1 liter solution. We represent it 1 molar. Semi-molar. Semi-molar, that is 0.5 molar. If 0.5 mole solute dissolved in 1 liter solution. Decimolar. (0.1 mole). Centimolar. Equal to 0.1 by 100 mole. If 1 mole solute dissolved in 1 liter solution, then it is called 1 molar solution. If 0.5 mole solute dissolved in 1 liter solution, then it is called 0.5 molar solution. If 1 by 10 mole solute dissolved in 1 liter, then it is called decimolar. If 1 by 100 mole solute dissolved in 1 liter, then it is called centimolar solution. We see a formula of molarity. Molarity is equal to 1000 into W by MV. Here is equal to molarity. W equal to mass of solute in gram. Mass of solute in gram. Capital M equal to molecular mass V volume in milliliter. Milliliter. Here is a formula S equal to 1000 into W divided by MV. S equal to molarity, W equal to mass in gram, M molecular mass of that solute, V equal to volume in milliliter. Now we see a problem of molarity. S equal to 1000 into W divided by MV. How will you prepare? How will you prepare? How will you prepare 0.2 molar sodium chloride solution in a volumetric flux of 250 ml? How will you prepare 0.2 molar, that means dilute solution? How will you prepare 0.2 molar NaCl, that means solute NaCl, molarity 0.2 molar in a volumetric flux of 250 ml? If we prepare 250 ml 0.2 molar NaCl solution, then how much sodium chloride is needed? To find out value of W, here molarity S equal to 0.2 molar, molarity S, molecular mass, volume. Here molarity S equal to 0.2 molar, molecular mass of NaCl M equal to 23 atomic mass of sodium plus chlorine 35.5, that means 58.5. Volume V equal to 250 ml. Molarity S equal to 0.2 molar. Molecular mass of sodium chloride, sodium atomic mass 23, chlorine atomic mass 35.5, total atomic mass molecular mass of NaCl 58.5, volume 250 ml. Now we have to find out the value of W. We know S equal to F as in 1000 into W by MV. S equal to 1000 into W by MV, or 1000 into W equal to MVS, or W equal to mvs by 1000, or W equal to M58.5 into V250 is 0.2 by 1000 gram equal to 2.925 gram. That means to prepare 250 milli 0.2 molar NaCl solution, we have to use 2.925 gram NaCl. How will you prepare 0.2 molar NaCl solution in a volumetric flux of 250 ml? Here molarity S equal to 0.2 molar, molecular mass 58.5, volume V equal to 250 milli, formula S equal to 1000 into W by mV, or W equal to 2.925 gram. We see another problem of molarity. How much sodium carbonate? How much sodium carbonate is there? How much sodium carbonate is there in a 2 liter decimolar sodium carbonate solution? How much sodium carbonate is there in 2 liter in a 2 liter decimolar? Decimolar means 0.1 molar dilute solution, sodium carbonate solution. Here molecular mass sodium carbonate, volume 2 liter, decimolar, polarity. Here molarity is equal to decimolar means 0.1 molar. Volume V equal to 2 liter. Now 2 liter converting to milliliter. 2 into 1000 milli equal 2000 milli. Molecular mass of sodium carbonate, molecular mass of sodium carbonate M equal to atomic mass of sodium 23 into 2 plus 12 plus 16 into 3 equal to 46 plus 12 plus 48 equal to 106. how much sodium carbonate is there in a 2 liter decimolar sodium carbonate solution. Here molarity is equal to, decimolar means 0.1 molar, volume V equal to 2 liter, but we have to convert into milliliter. 2 into 1000 milli. Molecular mass of sodium carbonate represented by capital M. Atomic mass of sodium 23 into 2, carbon 12, oxygen 16 into 3 equal to 106. We know S equal to 1000 into W by MB, or 1000 into W equal to MVS, or W equal to MVS by 1000. We know S equal to 1000 into W divided by MV. Cross multiplication, 1000 into W equal to MVS, or W equal to MVS divided by 1000, or W equal to value of M, that means molecular mass of sodium carbonate 106, volume of solution 2 liter means 2000 milliliter, S means molarity, decimolar, that means 0.1 by 1000 gram. If we calculate it, then we get 21.2 gram. That means if we want to prepare 2 liter decimolar sodium carbonate solution, we have to need 21.2 gram sodium carbonate. That means sodium carbonate solution. Dear student, today we discussed molar solution and its some problem. Molar solution means 1 mole solute dissolved in 1 mole solution, 1 mole solute dissolved in 1 liter solution. Now, molar means 1 molar, semimolar means 0.5, semimolar 0.5, decimolar 0.1, centimolar 0.01 molar. Molar means 1 molar. Today's homework: number 1, find out the molarity. Find out the molarity of the solution Find out the molarity of the solution when there is 4 gram sodium hydroxide in a 100-liter solution. And second one, find out the molarity of the solution when there is 4 gram HCl in a 250 milli solution. Dear student, stay home, stay safe, read attentively. Thank you all.